God not being real and the dude being a I hate being sexy but I am a cat daddy so I can't help it. Vintage shirt mutually exclusive. They're both true. It's not. Allah is a proper noun. Specifically the name of the God of Islam. The three guy is right. Reddit. As usual. Staunch in its ignorance. Yahweh is a proper noun too. Does that mean it's different from God? You make no sense. Clearly. Most Christians don't know this. The random atheist knows better. Does that mean that God is not real and all Christians are actually Muslims? Or that you're just a dumbass? Why not both the first and the last know Muslims have a different prophet than Jews and the Jews? Different from them. I hate being sexy but I am a cat daddy so I can't help it. Vintage shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie. V-neck. Tank top. Sweatshirt. Christians. Muslims have I hate being sexy but I am a cat daddy so I can't help it. Vintage shirts. Muhammad. Christians. Other products.